Alright, it won't drain. It's a Kenmore He2. And it will not drain. It takes about 4 times for it to drain. You have to keep pressing the drain and spin. So I got it jacked up, and there's 3 bolts I just took out from the bottom. Alright, I took the panel off. There's the pump, and this is the pump filter. And you turn it. Hold on. Okay, so turn it. Okay. Okay, the power of video lets me go get a towel. Oh my God.
What?
Oh, it's nasty.
What?
Look at all this stuff.
Ew.
Golly. Holy
my
crap.
Goodness.
Keys. Money. What else is in there?
Ew, that is disgusting.
Pencil. Hold on. Legos. How much money is in here? Golly, we could go get a couple of cones of ice cream.
Oh my gosh.
God, that's nasty. We have fixed this thing.
That's why it
Whose
wasn't
keys?
right.
Somebody's
that's
got some.
that's that smell.
Yep.
Oh,
They're running away. We fixed the washing machine.
Oh, that's so gross.
All right, so everybody knows how to do it now. Okay, just for the record, I wanted to show that we found a pocket knife, a battery, all kinds of lint and rubber bands, a pencil, Legos, and probably enough to buy a Happy Meal, at least. And I took a rubber grommet off to get everything out, and I couldn't get this back on because it was very difficult, and so I put a twist tie on there, and that should hold it, and got it really tight, so it should be working now.